10 years. It's a long time. Last day.
10 years. The money comes and the money goes, and I fear when you get out of hell, you never know how hard I tried to wait for tomorrow. No time left for me to borrow. Strung out and filled with sorrow, waiting for you for 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah, for 10 long years.
It's a long time.
Yeah.
Since I had it good, they wanna label me a bad man. With a bad plan, running with this bad clan. Check this hit, I never been no angel. See, I was 19 and the streets had me tangled. Dibble-dabbled into everything to make a brother richer and richer. I didn't see the picture. Stereotyped and I fit the description. A young black male on the trail to the system. Never really knew that I was in that deep. All I really knew was I was off them streets. January, I was